So I've heard about using ultrasonic cleaners to clean bike components. Oh, so that was actually quite a good idea because I commute on my bike and through the winter the chain gets rather messy and quite rusty. So this is one of the basic ones. There's two general sizes I've seen, the 600mm ones and the 750. As you can see there, just a metal bowl with some dials on the front. So this one was fairly cheap. So pretty much all you do is with these ones, you just plug them in, put warm water in, put whatever you want in them. It comes with a nice little basket. So you put your objects in the basket so that the actual metal bowl doesn't get damaged, like so. Turn it on. It then sends sound waves. Sound waves cause bubbles to form in the object that's in there, and then that should loosen the dirt and take it off. So here is the chain. It is quite dirty, as you can see. There is some grit on it, and it's now sitting in the ultrasonic cleaner with just warm water and fairy washing up liquid. I'm just going to press go. The maximum cycle time this particular one does is 8 minutes, so I'm just going to press go and leave it running for 8 minutes. So I've run it for 2 cycles now, so that's a total of 16 minutes. I'm now going to change the water, and you can see how dirty the water is, and also you can see in the bottom of the bowl there all that grit and all that just stuff that's just come off the chain and sat in the bottom. So I'm now going to run it for another 16 minutes to show you guys what happens. There we go, it's had a total of 32 minutes now. As you can see, it's much cleaner. A lot of the grit's come off. Moving it around doesn't feel like there's any grit in it at all. So I was trying to find another item to show you guys what the ultrasonic cleaner can do. All I could find is this dirty plug in my utility. So once again, I'm just going to put it in, turn it on and leave it. So the whole plug is looking generally much cleaner. So there we go, that is basic ultrasonic cleaner, just a budget one. I'm happy with it, I'm happy with the results. So what I'm going to do is on my commuter bike, just once a week in the winter, just take the chain off, chuck it in there, give it a good clean, put it back on the bike, re-oil it, and hopefully it won't go as rusty as it did last year. Well, I hope that answers some of your questions about these ultrasonic cleaners and using them for bike components. Any questions, please feel free to put them below and I'll try and answer them. Thank you very much guys, thanks for watching.